So hi guys, OK Pro Gamer over here. I'm back with another video, and today we are gonna be playing FIFA, but not any normal match. We will be playing Volta Football. If you all don't know what Volta Football is, we can select our teams and we can play on like stadiums on streets. Like we play at our house. And let me show you all an example. See, Volta. Now Volta singles match. So we can choose how many we want. So let's take a 4v4. I am gonna become FC Barca. 1 minute. FC Barca. And my opponents will be Real Madrid. 1 minute. And here are Real Madrid. So see, these are the stadiums we could play in. So these are all the stadiums that we could play in, and we could add balls to them as well. If we add balls, there won't be any throw-ins or things like that. So let's keep a stadium with balls. One of my favorite one is this Rio de Janeiro. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but let's take this stadium. It's with walls. Let's see our team management. So this is our current team. I am at goal. Gerard Piqué is our captain. De Jong and Arthur are on the top. But let's do some team management and let's keep Messi as our attacker. And let's take out De Jong for Antoine Griezmann. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Griezmann. Yeah. So now let's start a match. It's Volta Football once again. I am playing as Barcelona. Now let's start our match. See, these are the stadiums we can play in Volta. And here the ball has been kicked off. Piqué passes it to Griezmann. Griezmann with a great skill pass back to Piqué. It's with Messi. Oh, Messi can score. Oh, that's a foul. But the ref is not ready to give it. There is a ref also in this match. So don't think that there are no fouls. There are fouls in this game. But so Dani Carvajal with the ball. Carvajal passes it to Isco, but a great tackle, but can't get position. Now it's a chance, but a great save by Umar. And now Griezmann with the ball. He gives it to Messi. Oh, it was a chance, but Courtois gets it. And now the ball with Toni Kroos. Kroos attacking, but it can't go up in the goal. So we can use the balls to pass to our opponents. So if we have balls, it's like a plus for us. And I think that's a foul. It's a free kick for the Carvajal. And now it's a chance. Oh, and a good save by Umar. And now Griezmann with the ball. He's running forward. It's a chance. And a great shot. But a great save by Courtois. And the ball with Isco. He passes it to Toni Kroos. Kroos on the ball. But Kroos loses position. Gerard Piqué with the ball. He gives it to Messi. Messi with a pass to Antoine Griezmann. Griezmann could have tried to pass to Messi but failed. Now Isco on the ball with a great pass to Toni Kroos. But a great tackle by our defender Piqué. And now we are on the attack. It's with Messi. Can Messi score? But we lose position. And now it's a chance for Madrid. Oh, but Madrid miss it. Let's score a goal with our goalkeeper. Now myself, Umar, I'm going ahead. It's a chance for me. Oh, that was a great chance for me. But another chance. Oh, but we lose position. And now it's a clear chance for Madrid. Can they take advantage of this? Oh, Oh, but Omar gets there in time and saves it. Messi on the ball, gives it to Griezmann. Griezmann back to Messi. Messi with a shot, but Courtois saves it. It's a goal kick it's a throw in for Omar. It's with Piqué, given to Griezmann. Griezmann gives it to Messi. Back to Griezmann, it's a chance. Oh, but it goes over. But we have position back. Messi with a chance. Oh, and another great save by Courtois. And the ball is gone out for a throw in. Griezmann on the ball. And I think that's half time. Yeah. So it's half time. Currently the score is 0-0. And this is the second half of the match. Let's start. The kickoff with Real Madrid is the second half. Can we get a goal? Can we get a goal? Let's see in this half. And Toni Kroos on the ball, passes it to Dani Carvajal, but Carvajal loses position, and it's with Antoine Griezmann. Gerard Piqué on the ball. It's with Griezmann. Griezmann passes it to Messi. It's a chance. Oh, and a goal by Messi. What a goal. And Messi is celebrating the first goal of the match in Volta football. And now we have a lead of 1-0. And now Kroos on the ball. He gives it to, it's with Carvajal. Isco on the ball. Isco. Kroos. Can Kroos get one back? Let's see. Oh. And Dani Carvajal loses position. It's with Gerard Piqué. Now it's with Griezmann. No, it's with Messi. Oh, it could have been a chance. And now they are on the attack. Oh, he misses. The ball with Messi. And Messi doing a bit of skill work. And now Messi. And now Messi. Oh, Messi tried to do some skills but could not. And now they are on the attack. Madrid gives it to Kroos. Isco on the ball. Gives it back to Kroos. Oh, it could have been a chance, but they lose position. Messi with the ball, but he loses position. And it's a chance once again, but Messi saves it. It's with Piqué. It's back to Messi. Oh, and a pass to Griezmann, but he could not shoot the ball. And now Dani Carvajal on the ball. He passes it to Isco. Kroos on the ball. Isco. Can Isco get one back? Oh, some great skills by Isco, but unfortunately loses position. And a pass to Griezmann. It's back with Piqué. It's with Messi. Can Messi get one? He passes it to Griezmann. Can Griezmann get it? Oh, it was a chance, but they could not score. Now Toni Kroos on the ball. On Madrid. There are just 30 seconds left for play. Can Madrid get one back and force us to a penalty shootout? There are penalty shootouts in Volta. Oh no! It's a goal by Madrid. And let's see if Barca can come back in the game. The ball with Piqué. He gives it to Messi. Messi gives the ball to Griezmann. Piqué on the ball. He gives it to Messi. Oh, it was a chance. And only 7 seconds left. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the end of second half. And I think this game is gonna go to penalties once again. In my first video also we won by penalties. Can we do it once again? Let's see. Let's start it. Come on. The penalty shootout is starting and I have come to take the first kick. Let's see if I can get it in. Can I get it? Oh, Courtois saves it. It's very hard to score in these small nets. Let's see. Oh, and a great save by Omar. Let's try to go top right. Come on. Please don't tell me it's a risk. Come on, Griezmann. Oh, Courtois dives the wrong side and Griezmann gets it. Can Uma save another one? Oh, a great save by Uma. And if we score, we win. Can we win this match right here? Let's see. Messi with suspense. Let's go for bottom left. Let's see if Messi can get it. Oh yes, we have done it. We have won the Volta football match. Oh, that was a great win. A second win by a pen shootout. And what a game for both of the teams. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I'll play more than a match. Thank you for watching.